What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have so much going on. I'm gonna tell you guys about ezlynk, and I mean Ben's working with the Jeep doing something super cool. So he's making his Jeep pretty much one of one because his Jeep didn't come with, or you can't get his color Jeep with this option. You know just how my truck is unable to be ordered with the Sport Appearance package, and I made it happen myself. His Jeep, you cannot order it with this option, and you know, you gotta pay to play, and you gotta build the Jeep how you want it, and he made this one happen. So this one's awesome as well. I'm also gonna show you guys something super awesome, but I don't know where it is. I think I have an idea. Ever since I got this thing, I cannot even listen to it myself because everyone in the house uses it except me, because everyone loves this. Now, as you guys know, with my line of work, music is key. I mean, it keeps you going through the day. You know, 8 hours working on vehicles, wrenching on things. It's a key part to it, and to get you through the day, I mean, you need some kind of tunes going. Keep you going, keep your mood up, and this speaker here has allowed me to do so. The Kove commuter is one of the most awesome Bluetooth speakers I have ever got my hands on. The wonderful people at Kove have sponsored today's video. Now, this awesome Bluetooth speaker literally itself has an outdoor and indoor function, a built-in subwoofer, is water resistant, has a 6-hour battery for wireless playback, built-in microphone, and so many awesome features. And the best part is, like I said, water resistant. You don't gotta worry about this speaker. This speaker packs a huge punch for the money, guys. If you guys are interested in it, top link in the description below. Again, this is the Kove commuter. Check it out, guys.
Oh, gang going crazy.
So guys, I said in my last video today, I'm talking about ezlynk tuning. I get so many questions. You know, what tuning did you go to? What lift did you run? Did these wheels and tires fit? All this stuff. One of my most asked questions is, what kind of tuning did you go with on your truck? ezlynk tuning, which itself is a platform, and tunes from different companies can be put on it. So I'm gonna talk more about that when we get in the truck. But let's head outside, see what's going on, and I'll show you guys everything about ezlynk. Oh yeah, did you get the bonnets?
No. Oh, so complicated. I just want to replace my dash.
Yeah, that sucks that no one's made there's no tutorial on this, but I know people have done it because I've seen them out and painted.
I don't know how they're taking the bottom pieces off.
Yeah, I don't know. They gotta get out some way. How is this? Is it just like glued on?
Yeah, I don't know how they're getting back there. I'm pretty sure even if I take all this top dash off, there's still this plastic frame that's really in the way.
And did you try getting up through here, the glove box?
Yeah, you can't. There's stuff in the way. If you take this off, that doesn't help you because you still have to take all this other plastic off because like there's a plastic frame behind there.
Yeah.
So I really don't know how people have done this.
Oh, like I said, guys, it's the joy. Customize your vehicle, man. It's fun. It's honestly fun, and it's just something new every time. And this is I guess a learning process because for some reason this dash, I mean the airbag is inside the dash, and it's also holding the dash in, so it's a big process, but he's trying to figure it out, and there's no videos on it because nobody's done this, so it's just crazy.
Take all this apart and take everything.
Yeah, I don't know. She is super dirty. It's been raining all week, but yes, guys, I know I need the amp steps. I'm working on it. Some of you are not gonna want to hear this, but I will probably lift my truck more. I know on Instagram I say a lot, need 40s, need bigger lift, need all this stuff, and it's a big truck, but you know, the whole YouTube and like Instagram, I guess, gig is about being out there. And yes, I do have a lime green painted truck, which is pretty much out there and pretty much one of one, but you know, going big and massive and having like a SEMA type truck, semi-SEMA, not like full out SEMA, because that too much. It's kind of always been a dream of mine. So coming up between now and springtime, I think this truck is going to change a lot. And I've got some things. I got something in the back seat here, but you won't see it. Maybe next video I'll show you guys, but we're going to get crazy. ezlynk is a Wi-Fi based tuning application. So here we have ezlynk in all its glory. You have gauges you could set up like this, tiles, you can have actual gauges, graphs. This is actually a cool setup here. Let me unlock my screen. You have live gauges. You set this up the way you want it. That's what's awesome. You click on your tile and you could change it. Engine coolant, vehicle speed, RPM, battery, transmission, boost, exhaust, ambient temperature, and you have a bunch of EGT probes you can run, which is also awesome because you don't always have to have a giant screen up here, which is super cool. No, you could have your phone plugged in here, or you can not have your gauges at all. It's a super clean setup, and I honestly love it because you're not always have a little module up here. Keeps the truck looking clean and all of that. I had a comment in my last video asking about my gauge setup on my truck. Up here, I got a compass, I got my trip A, I got my DTE, my range till empty, and over here I've got my average MPG. My lower gauge, I've got my boost pressure, and I've got my current MPG. You can run through there and pick like battery voltage and all that stuff, all those goodies. There's lots of options for your gauges on these Rams, but that's the setup I run with. I mean, it's got everything I need. Next thing with ezlynk, if you choose to have a soft switch or not, it's not really pronounced soft, but it's the easiest way to say SOTF. Shift on the fly is what it means. And this I have mounted right here. Some people hide it if they have the, the center console over here, they'll hide it over here. In my opinion, it's in a perfect location for me to reach. With ezlynk, I have the tunes from PPEI and Corey Willis. I have 5 tunes available. This thing runs like a raped ape on this hot tune. And a lot of people ask, can your stock clutch hold these hot tunes? We're about to go show you what this truck can do. Stock clutch and some of the hotter tunes. Okay, I didn't get that far, but look at the sky, guys. Look at that. This makes it even cooler. You guys see that rainbow? Look at that. Okay, I totally just hopped out and took a bunch of Instagram pictures. So follow me over there and take a look at what I just did. Oh my goodness, look at that. For some reason, there are so many people out tonight. So pretty much what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna turn my traction control off if I can get up here far enough. I'm gonna crank this tune up to hot. All right, so we're on the hot tune. I'm gonna turn my traction control off, as you can see. And now watch this, you might not be able to see much, but 4th gear. Okay, boost, built, hammer. Right there, clutch slipped. I legit cannot get away from people tonight. Okay, so we are probably the furthest away from people I could find, and by the time it is pretty dark out. However, I've got some adequate lights on, and we're gonna get a little squirmy here. I'm gonna turn the tune up, see what I can do. Low end, the clutch will hold. You get in the higher gears, 3, 4, 5, 6, the clutch just slips. I'm gonna tell you that right now in the hot tune, but we can get a little squirrely for you and I'll show you what exactly happens. shot here of how bright this light bar is, man. That looks so good. Here, I'll shut it off for you. Headlights are gonna go off. Headlights off. Look at how bright the light bar is. Light bar off. Light bar on. Light bar off. Light bar on. Pretty much the ezlynk platform is an awesome way to go if you're looking for tunes. I like the fact that it's all new and current. Your phone tunes your truck. No more bulky, tuning devices up here. No more, plug it in like the old Smarties. You guys all know that. I had that on my 06. I had a Smartie, I had a Bully Dog, I had a Mini Max. I went through tuners like I was changing socks. The ezlynk is probably the coolest, that your phone tunes your truck. And new current technology, I feel like it's the future. I would love to get my hands on some other tuning applications. That would be awesome, like MM3, and I don't really want to mess with EFI Live. The only problem with those is you need something else to unlock your truck. I think MM3 you might be able to unlock the ECM itself, but I know EFI Live you need something to unlock your ECM and then tune your truck. But that's another thing with ezlynk. It does it all in one. And Corey at PPEI really knocked it out of the park with these tunes. Super clean, super powerful, especially with the G56. There are like the low end tunes, the low boost fueling is a little shy. When you shift, the RPMs drop too much. But the high tunes, I mean, you could shift all day and it makes the truck drive so awesome. The high tunes, you can drive the truck, and when I mean drive the truck, I mean grandpa the truck. Like, take your time, drive easy, you'll have no problems. The way a tuned diesel runs is beyond me. The feeling is unreal. I gotta upgrade my clutch, guys. Any input in the comment section below is, welcome. Me personally, I'm gonna roll with a South Bend dual disc. The full organic holds like 550 horse, and the ceramic organic or something, it holds a full 650 horse. I will probably roll with that, the 650 horse, because going from the single disc to the dual disc clutch and the different flywheel setup, yes, there's a little more noise. I fully plan on putting the 7 quarts in my G56, not the 6, and running. That's about where I am. I need the clutch. I'm looking to do it very soon. I mean, within the next couple weeks here. Trying to get it knocked out because I really want to open this thing up, feel all the ponies it's got. Yeah, but the ezlynk platform, super cool. Come in here, I mean, you've got your vehicle right here. Ooh, look at that picture all set up and all. ECU profiles, these are all tunes. Emissions intact, no emissions, single tunes. My soft switch tune, which I mean I could switch it on the fly. You come in here, you literally talk to your technician right here. If you got something to say to him, boom, chat him, message him, he'll get back to you. No matter which company or technician has tuned you through ezlynk, you have immediate access to your technician. So that's super awesome. Super awesome. ezlynk is offered on Ram, Chevy, Ford, Nissan, Cummins. Dude, they got so many applications for ezlynk, and I'm gonna say I highly recommend it. I still would like to get my hands on the other tuning platforms, but I am more than happy that I went with ezlynk and PPEI for that matter. Definitely do need a clutch, and I want to get that done soon so I can feel everything this truck has to offer. Get all in or what? Wow, oh yeah. You got little fingerprints on there, but man, that looks good.
I will admit, it's not for everybody, but I like it.
Oh no, it looks good. And once you put everything back together with the dash and all that, all the accents will come right together. That'll look great, especially with everything.
Yeah, I can see why they didn't do it, because it would probably drive people away from the green. But, I mean, the amount of people, like, we had David was talking about it, and he has, he has his pumpkin, and he's like, he was upset that they didn't have a red dash. And then some other people I was talking to on Instagram, they either had mojito or they had, one of the other colors that didn't have the red dash, and they're bummed.
Yeah, but I mean, it's like everything's got the, the red accents and stuff, and the seats, and then, I mean, they're missing the dash. Other Rubicons have it, only some of the colors, but it really looks good in this Jeep.
I think it should be like a Rubicon staple. I mean, they did it to all the other ones, why not, the nice colorful ones.
Yeah, no, this is awesome. I can't wait to see it all back together. If you guys have anybody out there with a G56, or a car for that matter, who runs a South Bend, let me know, because I'm looking to get one. Like I said, the tuning is crazy in this truck, but I need the clutch to go with it, and I really want to run South Bend. Lots of good things, and heard lots of good things with there. I know Valaire's out there too, but I really want to run South Bend. So if anyone out there has a South Bend, let me know. Any tips, tricks, anything you've gone through, that would be awesome. But yeah guys, ezlynk, definitely 2 thumbs up for me. That the whole process and system, and just the simplicity of your phone, your truck, and tuning it just like that, all cloud-based, instantly connected with your technician, stuff like that. There's so many pros to the ezlynk platform. Nothing bad to say about it. So yeah, if you guys are looking at ezlynk tuning, I would highly recommend it. If you have a G56, like I said, a lot of people are looking for, can you run hot tunes with it? Can you run them? Yes, like you saw in the video. Sorry it was dark. We'll get some more clips on another day. That is 100% sure. But hot tunes, I mean, you can run them. I say I broke the tires loose. It's like hit or miss. The clutch will sometimes slip, the clutch will sometimes not. You guys looking, I mean, you can run a hot tune. You're not gonna get too far. The low, like 30, 60 horse, I mean, you're just fine. I wanna say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.